the Nexar Beam 2 is a compact and feature-packed dash cam designed for everyday drivers seeking reliability and ease of use. With 2K Full HD recording, the Beam 2 ensures clear video quality during both day and night. The wide 135-degree field of view captures multiple lanes, enhancing road coverage. One of its standout features is automatic cloud backup, which syncs important footage to the Nexar app. The loop recording and G-sensor ensure that crucial moments, such as accidents or sudden impacts, are automatically saved and not overwritten. While it does not have built-in GPS, it relies on the connected smartphone's GPS to log trip details accurately. Installation is simple, with an adhesive mount and a long power cable for flexible placement. The Nexar app integration allows for seamless video access, though it requires a constant Bluetooth connection, which can drain the phone's battery over time. Overall, the Nexar Beam 2 is an excellent choice for drivers looking for an affordable, cloud-connected dash cam with solid video quality and smart features. However, those seeking built-in GPS or 4K recording may want to explore higher-end models.